Hi guys, today we are going to build the Rhombicuboctahedron. First we are going to need 8 squares in the middle in a line. And leaving 3 squares, we are going to put 3 squares here and 3 squares on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to get 2 triangles and 1 square. Put them here and the same. And the same, you're going to put it this time here. And the same, like we did here. Now, we're going to hold it from here. We're going to do first step, then second row, and then we are going to lift it up from here and do there, 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 and there, that, there, and the last square. Okay, guys, this is the Rhombicuboctahedron. Thank you for watching. Bye.